Hello, how's everybody doing today? My name is Jen. Today I'm just gonna make a short video. It's 3 a.m. and I just decided I want to make this video for you guys all. So today I'm gonna be showing you guys how to make yourself a police badge or fire EMS badge for roleplay purposes. First, what you want to do is you want to go to the site badgecreator.com. It'll be in the link in the description. You're gonna go to start designing. You're gonna wait for it to load. Just gonna scroll down a bit. You're gonna find yourself a badge that you like. Let's use, I'll say this one. So you're gonna load it in. It's gonna be initially blank. So these are made so you can actually buy them in real life, which you can do, but that's not the purpose of this video. So first thing I like to focus on is the finish. So you could do a gold finish. You could do a gold silver finish. A mix of two. It really depends on your style and how you would like it done. I'm gonna stick with this one, the silver and gold. So what you're gonna do is, this is the type of font. This one doesn't matter, it's for IRL. Then the badge shape, which I'm not sure how that matters, but yeah. Next, what you're gonna do is you're gonna go to line 1. So line 1 should be your rank. So you could be captain, let's say, maybe a captain. Line 2 can be your name. So I'll say, Daniel Smith. And then the seal we'll get to after. Line 3 is gonna be your department. So I'll say LSPD. And then line 4 is gonna be your call sign. So for this, maybe it'll be Alpha 103. So now for the seal, you can make a custom one like through a photo editor, but I suggest you use the ones they give you. So you can use anyone from any state. If you're at a specific state. So I live in Canada, of course, so I'll use maybe the Ontario one. So I'll use this. Next, what you're gonna do, if you are happy of how it looks, which I am, you're gonna go ahead, you're gonna right click it, and you're gonna press save image as. I'm just gonna press copy because I'm not gonna keep this. So once you're done, you're gonna want to go to this website. It's gonna be called pixlr.com. Now this is a total optional step if you were gonna use this as a Discord profile picture. So if you are happy with this and you just want to use it for like maybe TeamSpeak or something, you can skip the rest of the video and you can cut to the end, the outro or whatever. But this is for people that want to use this as their Discord logo. So go to pixlr.com, link in the description. You're gonna make a name, and the height and width won't matter. You're gonna create it. It should look a bit bigger than this. You're gonna go to this kind of tab here, properties. You're gonna go to resize image, and it should be 240 by 292. So you're gonna press apply. You're gonna copy and paste or insert your badge, and then from there you're just gonna make it a tiny bit smaller, adjust it, and then you shouldn't have to do too much, and then just save it. So I'm just gonna call this tutorial badge. Make sure you can verify the width and the height as the one that I told you guys to do, 240 by 292. You're gonna download it. Then you can just wait a tiny bit for it to download. And then it downloads. And this is how it should look. So now you can use this on pretty much whatever you want. You can use this on TeamSpeak. You can use this on Discord. You can use it on anything. But this is your personal badge, custom badge. So I hope you guys did enjoy this video. This was a very short video. I just want to show you guys how to do this because I think it's a pretty neat idea for roleplay purposes. And a lot of people don't know how to do it. So if you guys did enjoy, please leave a thumbs up, subscribe. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.
In a house in the hills, I want a gate in the front. I want a car for the thrill. You never lets up. Only gas when we driving that. Only gas when we smoking that.